What is the number one way to build an Etsy shop that can do $10,000 a month with as little upfront costs as possible? Today, I have a plan for you. This is part of the plan that I gave Stephanie that took her shop from doing $1,000 within 3 months to then 4 months later doing $17,500 in a single month. Some people think you need to master 1 million Etsy tools and software programs in order to get to $10,000 a month on Etsy. But the reality is most businesses start simple, and excessive tools can actually be a distraction where you're more focused on learning how to use that tool than learning what your customers want. Today, I'm going to give you 3 tools, and at the end, I'm going to give you a bonus 4th tool that recently became the secret weapon of many successful Etsy sellers, including a lot of my students. And we're going to do it within $1,275.90. All right, now let's talk about the first cost. The first cost is approximately $15, and that is to open your Etsy shop today. Now that price does change depending on location, time of year, but it's about $15 right now. Now let's talk about the first tool. The first tool is actually free. It is called Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest. This is one place, one of actually many places that you will ideate products that are not yet on Etsy. This is so important because Etsy is one of the last places to get trends. Now I'm going to look up personalized laser, and I'm looking for things specifically not on Etsy. So here are just a few. And then what we're going to do is also look at their website because I do want to see for perspective how trendy these websites are. You can definitely tell they are on trend. Look at these font combos, color combos, two-tone, very, very much on trend. We can tell there's definitely some good options here. So I'm going to take time to dig into that site. Now this one, I have never seen such a detailed milestone card set. This is beautiful. Looks like a frame. We have like almost the scalloped edge trend, the bow trend. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is like such a good find. Okay. So I'm going to also check out all of their social media and be following them on socials. Same thing with this one, 4 p.m. in Honolulu. What is this shop about? Look, everything. All right. A lot of engraving, a lot of signage. Actually, I have not seen things like this before. So there are some great options here. Okay. So inspiration outside of Etsy, super important, and it's free. It just takes a creative eye. The next tool is Canva. You are going to go to Canva and you are going to use Canva for even photo editing or creating mock-ups, maybe infographic images that fit into your listing. You'll definitely use it for social media promotion. Now, the photos that you create through Canva can be really heavily branded in an elevated way. Remember, your listing is your sales page. So having branded photos and images, even the infographic ones, this is essential in order to appeal to profitable customers. And if you learn how to use Canva, you can have a great competitive advantage when it comes to shaping your aesthetic. Now, the next tool is the Creality Laser. So far we are at $25. This is the big cost, okay? Today it is $1,199 and it's a small footprint. So if you're thinking, I don't have space for a laser-based business, yes, you do. A laser will also last you a very long time. I have to admit, with the Creality Laser, I was a little intimidated to set this thing up, or I was intimidated to watch my husband set this up because I remember how hard it was to learn my big full spectrum laser, but the Creality Laser was so simple. So the Creality Falcon 2 is 22 watt. It cuts through 15 millimeter wood with 1 pass. It can do colored engraving. It is very fast. It does 25,000 millimeters per minute, and the structure itself was pretty much pre-assembled. You really just had to create the shell for it. It also knows which airflow to have, whether you are cutting or engraving. I also love that this laser sets off an alarm when the lens is dirty to avoid having to replace the lens super often. And this laser monitors for flames, so if something caught on fire, it will immediately stop, which is great. Materials you can do with this: cardboard, wood, bamboo, rubber, leather, fabric, acrylic, plastic, and metal. So products I would consider starting with the Creality Laser would definitely be probably more along the lines of what we're finding in this shop here. You can see they have super, super cute, really unique signage. And I would probably build my product mix around wedding and baby and then expand from there. I would do a combination of leather, wood, and acrylic. It'll just give you more depth to your product mix and also allow you to drive up the lifetime value of your customer to serve them in many different areas of their life in unique ways. So if you were to only do wood with the Creality Laser, I do think you'd be limiting yourself based on the potential of what what this machine can do. Let's talk about the bonus tool because this is starting to become the secret weapon of Etsy sellers who need to save time. And it is a tool that will create SEO optimized listings for you. This tool, it's called Etso, and it will give you 10 listings for $4.99 per listing. So we've created the products and now we're gonna go to Etso. We're gonna click create a new listing and I'm gonna upload something here. For the purpose of this, I'm going to upload a laser-based product that I had in my Etsy shop. So here's the photo. The chat bot now processed the image and it's asking me if this is correct. It says, this is a personalized wooden bow holder for a child's hair accessories. It could be used to organize and display bows, headbands, and other hair accessories. Relevant Etsy keywords would be bow holder, hair accessory, organizer, baby girl gift, nursery decor, personalized gift, and children's room decor. Does this seem correct? I'm gonna say yes. What customization options are available? Color and name and font. Who buys this type of bow holder? Moms, grandmas, and people giving gifts at baby showers. It says you can now proceed with generating the listing information. So we're gonna generate the titles. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to Etsy and I'm gonna start creating my listing. So we'll just pretend that I have all of my different photos and everything in place. Add a listing. I'm gonna put in my photo of that bow holder. Now Etso just gave me 2 titles. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the first one, and then I'm gonna generate the alt text description and tags based on that. Perfect, we have our alt text, description, tags, and keywords. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just paste it right into Etsy. Now, what I love about this title, by the way, is that it says personalized bow holder, hair bow storage, baby shower gift, nursery wall decor, custom name sign, girl room decoration, headband organizer wood, because it captures a wide variety of long tail keywords, such as personalized bow holder, holder hair bow storage, storage baby shower gift nursery wall decor custom name sign, girl room decoration, and headband organizer wood. Okay, so I love that it has this variety of long tail keywords. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste it right in, 138 out of 140 characters. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna take my alt text and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the photos. Now let's pretend I have all my photos in place. Then I'm gonna take my description. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in here. Now there's some areas that I can enter, right? How to order, care instructions if it applies, product sizing, right? So that is gonna be customized by me for this product. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my tags and I'm gonna put them right in tags. One single paste and then click add. All of these are now used. Okay, so the essentials of the SEO are now in the listing, and it took me less than 2 minutes. And we have seen the results of thousands of Etsy listings created. Actually, one of them, Tio, he's in our program, he said, wow, I love this tool. I created a listing yesterday using this tool and already got sales. Cindy says, I will never create another listing without this tool. I'm getting views and sales much faster on my new listings created with this tool. And we do have a coupon code for you to use to get 15% off Etsy. It is Etsy 15. You can also just do the $1 trial listing and get one listing for $1 to test it out yourself. So these are the top tools that I would use to build an Etsy shop that does $10,000 a month in 2025. If you have any questions about the process or the details for doing this, just reach out to us. We do provide one-on-one coaching, but you can also just have a free call where we can show you even what the coaching looks like, who our students are, what their results are, because that is oftentimes helpful to see, okay, what is the result of these strategies before you do them. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
I've gone from about $1,500 to $2,000 in revenue a month to currently, before the month's finished, $4,200 in revenue. I only joined multi-six-figure Etsy Blueprint about 4 weeks ago now,